Hello everyone, welcome back to Dummy to Punny. And today we're going to look at some phonics, right? We're going to look at phonics once again. So let's have a look at consonant sounds. Consonant sounds, and the first one we're going to look at today is the letter B, right? So B makes the sound B. B makes the sound B, right? So B, B. Now let's have a look at some examples. All right, so you can see we have the first word there, bed, right? B, bed, B, bed, B, e, d, bed. And the second example we have is bubble, bubble, b, a, bull, bubble. So just remember, using these words, B makes the sound B, B. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great one. See ya.